Next, we're going to look at the specifications of repairs. The property information start button. Assure us, got our J. Johnson job. And click the specifications of repair. The screen shows us the 35 categories on the left, an area to add our margin or tax, some defaults, and by clicking on the far right button on the line, we're able to open each individual pricing category. Repair item defaults. You can add defaults in each category with pricing and bring those into the work write-up by simply clicking and choosing. Click and add green certification or EEM specificity. Has a location tab, a place to mark the level, whether it's mandatory, desired, or recommended, and simply work your bid. Add hours, add pictures, a short detail, and a more refined detail with default narratives. Simply click the category and bring in the narrative. Add your own keyword and your own statement. This area can be built upon and customized to suit your needs. Click to transfer that narrative to the front. Who's prepared for the work? The owner, subcontractor. Is a permit required? Continue till your entire bid is worked out. Totals and remaining funds. Gives you a detailed layout of the balances. Simply hit the close button.